Creative Stampers. How are you? I am here to give you a sneak peek of this month's card kit by mail. So the April card kit by mail is featuring the stamp bundle, the stamp set and the dies for Delightful Wishes. And I'm also using the Floral Delight paper, which is that beautiful yellow paper. I'm going to share with you the 4 cards that you'll be making. Actually, you'll be making 8. There's enough to make 2 of each card. When you get the kit, you'll have all the paper pre-cut for you, except for anything that you would cut with your dies. You will have to have the Delightful Wishes card stamp set and bundle to create these cards, or you can use your own stamp set that's would work with the product. But anyways, let's just go ahead and get started. Let's look at these cards. All right, here we are. So the cards look like this. There is one where I used where you stamp the florals out and then you cut them, and this wishing word with the echo. There is using the same word wishing with the echo and the same florals that you cut out, but a little different. This one had a whole bunch. This one just has a few of them. Then this one, I fussy cut the flowers that are in the designer paper, okay, and use some of the ribbon. And finally, this one shows you how to make the cutout flowers from the dies. All right, so those are the cards. The kit includes a half pack of the Floral Delight paper, and I wanted to show you that. So it's really beautiful paper. This is the one that you fussy cut. And this one is really pretty. This one has some of the pool party in the background. And then this is another one you could fussy cut also. And you could fussy cut the one with the pool party in the back. Now, let me share with you the back. Da, 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 isn't that beautiful? I love gingham. So they have yellow gingham. They have a burlap here. They have a burlap in the pecan pie and a burlap in the old olive. Just some great background paper. Anyway, so that's the paper. You get a half pack of it. Then you also get the spool of the Daffodil Delight 1/8 satin ribbon. Okay. And you all will be getting the bee trinkets, the little brass bee trinkets. When I made these cards for this preview, they hadn't come in the mail for me yet. I've used the butterflies on here, but you'll be getting the little bee trinkets in your kit. All right. So what you will need to make these cards, you're going to need the Delightful Wishes stamp and dies. All right. So here's the die set. And here's the stamp. If you don't already own this, you can purchase it yourself, or you can add it on in option 2 of the price choices. All right. You will also need 2 shades of yellow. Okay. When you stamp, let me get one to where you stamp. When you stamp the flowers, you'll want one in a light yellow, one in a dark. I used Lemon Lolly. Oh, no, this is Daffodil Delight and Crushed Curry, but we also have Lemon Lolly. All right. So if you use Lemon Lolly, your Daffodil Delight would be your darker yellow. Okay. So you want a light and a dark yellow. And then you'll want the pecan pie or some kind of a tan brown that matches the pecan pie cardstock. You'll need that. And another thing you'll want is, if you don't have it, is adhesive sheets. That just makes attaching the word wishing onto the echo so much easier, so much easier. All right. So that is what comes in the kit. Like I said, here's a quick peek of the cards one more time. And you can get it just the kit. So the kit would include the paper, the ribbon, the bling. And like I said, you'd get the bees, not the butterflies. And then all of the cardstock pre-cut for you to make 8 of each, make 2 of each card. So 8 cards. Then you can option 2, you get all of that, but you can add the stamp and the dies on. The third way is to just get the tutorial. I would email you the PDF and the links to the videos. Okay. So that is the card kit by mail for April. And watch your emails. That is where all the information is, the pricing options and how to purchase it. If you need that information and you didn't get it in your email, there's a link in the description below, and just send me an email and I will send you the information. Okay, thanks for watching.